She was the first child, obviously, and I would say as excited as I am today, probably even more, because both the occasions are today her marriage, that time she was born in my life. First time Disha came and broke the news, I was angry. I didn't realize that my daughter has grown up so big.
I've never been the type to hide things from my parents.
I was feeling initially very insecure. But one thing was always there. I always had a tremendous trust in her.
That's one of the things I in fact told my dad when he got upset, that you brought me up, trust me to make the choice.
See, you are always planned that the daughters have to go out. But when that moment comes, it's very difficult to accept. When she's not at home, honestly, if you ask me, I'm afraid to think about it. I'm not thinking about it. I haven't thought about it. I haven't allowed that thought to enter into my head.
I'm hoping for his sake, no, because otherwise this is going to be really hard for him, because I'm not going to be in town for very long.
Eventually it will happen. I'll take it when it comes. Today, no. I don't want to think about it. She's with me. In the sense, like, I literally felt that somebody was taking Disha away from me. You know, somebody is taking away my life from me. I want to live every moment with her when I can.
I mean, everyone was so warm and so welcoming. I have to say, they just embraced me with open arms and treated me as one of their own. So it was just wonderful.
We've been dating for around 4 years. We've known each other for 7 years. Really good. Like I said, finally everything has started. We've been preparing for months, waiting for this for months.
Very matured guy, Chintan. You know, like, it's more and more I get to know him, more and more I like him.
I just looked into her eyes essentially, and I knew that everything was right.
That love isn't two people looking into each other's eyes, it's two people looking in the same direction.
Disha knew exactly what she wanted, and that has really helped me a lot.
It's the most exciting part of my life, and finally my sister's getting married. So yes, definitely excited for the wedding.
Disha has been my bestest friend ever. I know she'll always be there. I'm so happy for her that she found Chintan. And I'm so happy for Chintan that he found Disha. I think they're so perfect together.
She has been the most amazing sister, and I could not have asked for a better sibling I could have got.
Chintan is exactly the kind of guy that would fit for Disha.
He's just so right for Disha.
Adorable. I think they're so cute. Yeah, and literally, I think made for each other and they complement.
She couldn't find anyone better and he couldn't find anyone better. They're just like perfect.
Oh, they're perfect together.
They're a very beautiful couple and they're just perfect for each other.
So I think they both will just do fine. They're made for each other.
ओ मेरी हर मन मानी बस तुम तक बातें बचकानी बस तुम तक.
I knew Chintan as a very nice, well-behaved boy.
So I knew he was always super smart, super intelligent, very well spoken and everything.
You know, before you get to know him, you have a very different impression of him as a very studious, serious type of guy. When you get to know him, he's like super psycho.
And I think he has a very good positive energy. He's a very genuine person.
मेरी इश्क खुमारी बस तुम तक